And so the story is about...
Wait, seriously? What?
Absolute cinema.
What a mess I'm making.
Oh my god, are you okay?
Ooh, it's a milky flavor.
We haven't forgotten about you, Daniel.
Oh, you can. It's okay.
Hi everyone, I'm Daniel.
I'm Cohen.
And I'm Oliver.
Today we are here in Beijing and we have a golden ticket to visit CGTN. Let's go!
But first, what brings them to Beijing? It's Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, the hit musical where young Charlie wins a golden ticket into Willy Wonka's mysterious world. Now bringing that sweet adventure into our studio, they'll taste classic Chinese candies, turning each bite into a little song.
Here we go. Oh, it's like my favorite type of candy. It's like soft and
What's your song?
Isn't it lovely? Isn't it wonderful?
I have shrimp candy. That's all I really know about it. It doesn't have a name on it, so shrimp candy.
Is there a shrimp inside? No.
No.
Is there shrimp in it?
No.
No. It's a candy.
It's a candy.
It's a candy, yeah.
Oh, I think it's chocolate.
Oh, yeah.
I'm scared for a moment.
Whoa. Wait, wow. That's really
Wait, I'm stealing one of those. I'm gonna try that too.
I love that. It's like peanut butter Nutella.
Okay, sing about it.
If you want to view paradise, eat this little shrimp candy.
Very good.
I thought it was gonna be actual shrimp. I was like, why did I choose this?
How about you? So this is very classic in China. We all, like all the staff here, we grew up eating it.
Oh, okay. That means
I
it's
wanna
good,
have it
okay? That means it's very, very good, okay?
Phew.
But it's a little bit hard.
Ooh.
Ow.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Do you want to give it a try, Cohen?
Oh yeah, thank you.
I'm having trouble unwrapping.
Okay. It's a milky flavor. Yeah, milky flavor. It's crunchy, but also hard. Yeah.
Do come in.
Wonka's factory is a wonderland designed to test the curiosity of its visitors. But only Charlie Bucket, with his pure heart and boundless imagination, can truly unlock its magic.
It's real.
Okay, so for this next challenge, we have a table of Chinese snacks over here. What you have to do is not pick your own snack, but pick it for your teammates to try.
All right, spicy and sour konjac snack.
Oh, that's like chili sauce.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this one's reminding me of that song in Zootopia too. Come on, get on up. We're wild and we can't be tamed. And we turn into a zoo.
Too spicy for Cohen. Already.
That was good.
Is it my turn? All right, fruity yogurt ice.
There you go. Yay! To cool off, right?
Oh, it's cold. It actually is cold. I didn't know it was cold.
Oh,
Real challenge.
This is how you do it in China. You break it in the middle.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm trying to open this. I can taste the spice.
Do you want help? I can help you.
Yes.
Get out! Get out!
What a mess I'm making.
How do you like this one?
Watermelon sugar high. Watermelon sugar high.
Watermelon sugar.
High. Okay.
Watermelon sugar high.
You'll be set on fire.
Wait, that's not what I was expecting that to look like.
I'm crying and I haven't even tried it. I'm so nervous.
Everyone get nervous.
Are you on fire now? Oh my god, you turned red.
Oh no.
Oh my god, are you okay?
Yeah, it's great. It's so good, but like it's so spicy.
I'm glad you like
Yeah,
it.
it's like not. This is like a
With plenty more snacks to explore during their stay in Beijing, Daniel, Cohen, and Oliver wrap up their food adventure here with me for now. Lin Lin, CGTN, Beijing. So this is what happens after you eat laughing cookies.